Hello students, how are you? Hope you are enjoyed your holidays. Now it's time to get back your studies. As you know, we are on chapter number 6. Chapter number 6 is triangles. In triangles, you know, first exercise we have done, and now second exercise. Before I start second exercise based on triangle. See student, triangle ABC. In this triangle, this one line DE is parallel to BC. Our first theorem is BPT, basic proportional theorem. Basic proportional theorem. It's very important theorem regarding exam point of view. See student, when we start any theorem, we can start with given. In given you can write DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. Then to prove you can write AD upon DP equal to AE upon EC. AE upon EC. Now construction. In construction you can write DM perpendicular on AC, EN perpendicular on AB, DM perpendicular on AC and EN perpendicular on AB. One more construction you will do. Join BE and CD. Join BE and CD. Now beta proof. In proof you can write one time this side you can consider AB. Two triangles are there on base AB. Area of ADE upon area of BDE. Area of ADE ratio area of BDE equal to half into base. Base is AD, height is EN. Here in this triangle, base is BD, height is EN. EN cancel with EN, half with half. AD upon BD. Mention this one as 1. Similarly, area of, now this side you can consider AC. Two triangles are there, ADE and DEC. Area of ADE upon area of DEC. Area of ADE half into base AE. Height is DM. Half base into height. Here half base is EC. Height is same DM. DM cancel with DM, half with half. AE upon EC. Mention this one as second. But see student, triangle BDE and triangle CDE are on same base DE. Triangle BDE and triangle CDE are on the same base DE and lie between same parallels DE and BC. Therefore, area of BDE equal to area of CDE. This one theorem is there in previous class 9th. Mention this one as third, and here you can write by theorem. From first, second and third. See student, in this first and second numerators are equal, and see in third, area of BDE, area of CD, denominators also become equal. Means whole LHS become equal in first and second. If LHS is equal, then RHS also become equal. From first, second and third, you can write AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. Hence it is proved. This one theorem also known as Thales theorem. Thales, Thales, Thales theorem. Means Thales mathematician discover this one theorem, BPT. It's very important. Now see, after this, converse of BPT, converse of previous theorem is what? Triangle ABC, and here DE, start with given. In given you can write AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC, and in to prove you can write DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. Construction. Draw a line DM. Draw DM such that DM is parallel to BC. Prove. Let us assume that DE is not parallel to BC and DM is parallel to BC. Therefore, AD upon DB equal to AM upon CM. Mention this one as 1. Give reason by BPT. But AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Why? This is given. From first and second, this one LHS is equal, then RHS also become equal. AM upon CM equal to AE upon EC. Add 1 on both sides. Add 1 on both sides. AM upon CM plus 1 equal to AE upon EC plus 1. CM become LCM. AM plus CM. EC become LCM. AE plus EC. AM plus CM is AC upon CM. AE plus EC also AC upon EC. AC cancel with AC. CM equal EC. This one CM equal EC. CM equal EC. See students, CM equal EC. This is impossible. Why? This one is equal to this if this one DM is coincide with DE. So our contradiction become wrong. Therefore this one DE is parallel to BC. Hence it is proved.